It's Christmas time. It's beautiful here. You know, oh, but it is so cold. It is so cold. It's nice to have a Christmas decoration, you know. Although nice, it's windy. We're supposed to have a snow tonight until tomorrow. Tomorrow night. Let's look at the. Yeah, it's in Howard Beach. No. There's a beautiful Christmas decorations here. That's in the Howard Beach. And yeah, that's it. Even though the situation here is like in New York, there's the COVID-19 is surging, but still nothing wrong putting the decorations, Christmas decorations. We're gonna celebrate family only, no gatherings, no crowded people. No. Here also. Yeah, oh, it's beautiful here, but it's so cold. I'm trembling cold. Oh my goodness. That's grandpa's over there. Grandpa's upstairs. Oh, well, the sky is clear, but it's too early. Past 5, but it's like 7 o'clock because it's getting dark early. Long night. It's gonna be a long night there. Oh, it's too cold, too cold. Look at that. Wish the children are here playing. But no, nobody's outside because it's too cold. Well, people is always staying inside the house because of the cold weather. It's very, very, very chilly. Oof, oof. Wind is blowing. I feel so so cold. I feel so cold. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. All what wanted is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell. Oh, let's celebrate the birthday of our Lord Jesus Christ. Yeah. So it's just like that. Just like that. Hello, I'm here. I'm chilly. I feel chilly. It's so cold. Oh my God. Sorry. Ooh. Cold. Cold night. Cold night, cold Christmas. Alright, I'm gonna go inside. I'm so freezing here. So freezing. Oh my God. It's blowing, it's cold. My eyes is frozen. Okay. Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Okay? Until here, till next. And thanks for watching my video. And please like and share, subscribe, and do comments below. Alright, thank you guys, love you all. Bye for now, see you again.